Okay, this is a Holiday Inn hotel in Tbilisi. Used to be a Jara hotel back then during the Soviet time. It turned to be now Holiday Inn. I just went to the cafe there for a meeting. You know, prices are quite steep, but nevertheless nice place to go. And there is also a casino, a Jara casino, one of the most, I guess one of the oldest one in Tbilisi, but probably most visited one too. And if you turn around, there's McDonald's. This Georgian spelling of McDonald's. And a couple of buildings around here. This is a former Georgian Polytechnical Institute. Now it's called Georgian Technical University. Residential homes. The commercial space underneath. And today is April 6, 2015. And parking is a big problem in Tbilisi, obviously. And it's good to have this kind of little island there where you can park. That's why I parked my car. By the way, as I'm broadcasting this, as I'm taping video, lots of cars will stop and think that I'm waiting for a taxi. There's lots of taxis in Tbilisi, as you see, all over the place. I guess every second car is a taxi. And sometimes they kind of a little aggressive on you. So if you just walk around and you look like a foreigner, someone will stop by and offer you to give you a ride. Obviously we'll have to pay for that, right? And this here is a Palace of Sport. This building with arches is a Palace of Sport. Some kind of basketball tournament going on. That's how it looks. Subway also came to Tbilisi. And this is Mac Drive. So drive-through of McDonald's. Hope you enjoyed my broadcast from Tbilisi, capital of Georgia. Sunny April day, April 6, 2015.